Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming scale and cleaning geometry so meshes behave predictably in Engine. Once done, import button cave and immediately separate static rockwork from dynamic doors or props. Make sure the pivot sits at the entrance for snapping and collision consistency. You then align normals and remove duplicate vertices to prevent lighting and physics errors. Finally, mark navigable surfaces roughly now. This early marking saves backtracking later when you test occlusion and AI paths. Now you refine the mesh, retopologize tunnels and tricky intersections to ensure even quad flow for deformation and collisions. Once retopology is stable, apply booleans sparingly to trim overlapping geometry and then clean up artifacts. Next, create LODs. Keep high detail where players interact and reduce polygons farther out to optimize performance. Bake normals, ambient occlusion, and light maps with consistent texel density, so lighting and shading remain stable across view distances and during runtime. To finish, import meshes into the engine and run collision and visibility tests while you watch for penetration, gaps, or shadow leaks. Once done, validate the nav mesh so AI can traverse climbs and ledges, adjust step heights and repath areas that bottleneck. Make sure light maps are assigned and atlased appropriately. This prevents seams. If you encounter artifacts or dark patches, check for flipped normals, overlapping UVs, or duplicated geometry as the primary troubleshooting step to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.